Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all will be fine. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss the words meaning and sentences of chapter number 8, The Happy Prince. ठीक है? So यहाँ पे हम words meaning, word sentences को discuss करेंगे. So first word is glittering and Urdu meaning is चमकने वाला, shining with a shimmering or sparkling light. Glistening, चमकती हुई रोशनी से चमक रहा है, ठीक है. शाइनिंग विद अ स्पार्कलिंग लाइट. नेक्स्ट इज स्वालो, छोटा परिंदा, अ स्मॉल बर्ड. फ्लटर, फड़फड़ाना, फ्लाई अनस्टेडली और होवर बाय फ्लैपिंग द विंग्स क्विकली एंड लाइटली. टिम्बल, छलकना, अ स्मॉल मेटल or plastic cap with a closed end worn to protect the finger and push the needle in swing. ठीक है. merry, खुशी, हंसी मजाक, cheerful and lively. murmur, बड़बड़ाना, a softly spoken or almost inaudible utterance. shiver, कांपना, shake slightly and uncontrollably as a result of being cold, frightened or excited. Word sentences. Glittering, the sky is glittering with stars. I could see something glittering under the water. Glistening, her eyes were glistening with tears. In the light of the morning sun, dewdrops are glistening on the flower's petal. Flutter, the flag flutters in the breeze. The bird was fluttering its wing. Swallow, the swallow were flying and twittering. Timble, she put a timble over the finger when sewing. Merry, he was much loved for his merry nature. Murmur, he turned and murmured something to the professor. Shiver, a sudden gust of cold wind made me shiver. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video.